Hey, what's up, y'all? We're on Lake Wateree in South Carolina. We're going to do some catfishing today. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Get a picture. There we go. Get a video releasing it. About a 20-pounder. Well, we caught that fish in about 13 foot of water. Water temperature is about 80 degrees. What are you doing, my love? Here it is. Big boy. Careful. Ow. Ow. Got one on, boys. Probably a 15 or so. There he is. Y'all know about eating steak while you're catfishing. Hey, what's up, guys? We ended up catching a few fish that night. We caught one more after we turned the GoPro off. We were packing up and everything. It was about a 3 or 4 pound blue. I didn't get any pictures or video of it, but overall it was a pretty good night. Can't complain when you catch fish. It's always a good time on the water either way. And watch out for that next video. Subscribe, click the bell. Appreciate y'all tuning in. See ya.